Alright, so this one here is a primary 6 concept on algebra. Mrs. Tan baked 3W cupcakes in the morning. She baked 3W plus 8 cupcakes in the afternoon. Okay, there actually should have been a bracket here. Now, altogether, she baked 80 cupcakes that day. How many cupcakes did she bake in the morning? Now, to do this, we need to add the morning and the afternoon cupcakes. So that will be 3W plus 8. So if you consider only the W family, that will be 6W plus 8 cupcakes in total. Now this right here is represented by 80 cupcakes. So how do I find the morning one, right? That's a question mark. So we need to find the value of W first. So 6W plus 8 will be equals to 80. 6W is equals to 80 minus 8. 6W is 72. W is 72 over 6, which is gonna be 12. Alright, so the value of W is 12. Okay, let me repeat this. Okay, so the total is 6W plus 8. That will be 80 cupcakes, right? So when we bring anything over an equal sign, that term will change signs. So 80 remains there. 8 goes over, right? So it becomes minus 8. So 6 times of W is 72. Alright, so what's the value of W then? 72 over 6. W has a value of 12. And we know that she baked 3W cupcakes, 3 times W cupcakes in the morning. So 3W, that will be 3 times 12. 36 cupcakes will be our answer for this question.